Hello, wind turbine design students at NTNU. My name is Paul, and this is the first video in what hopefully will be a series where we plan to give you useful tips and insights for using ashes effectively in your project. So the first topic is about using global scaling, wireframe, and fit-in view. So let's just get started. So as you hopefully know by now, this is the starting window of ashes, and I start by choosing the RNA-only templates. So this template is an industrial-sized 5 megawatt wind turbine. And first, I'll use the wireframe view button. So you kind of see the principal parts of the wind turbine here. And then I'll change the blades to a relevant 40 centimeter blade that I've already made and put in the blade database. So the way to do this is to press rotor and blade type, and then select blade for all, and then I pick the blade I already made and put in the blade database. And press OK and apply. And then the model disappears. And the thing to do then is to use the fit in view button. So you say it says fit in view here, and then you have the model back here. And now you have the really small blades, but everything else has their original size. So now we want to scale all the other parts to a relevant size without going and changing every single value, every single parameter. So the way to do that is to use global scaling. I press the wind turbine part, the scaling scheme, I change to global scaling, then I get a scale factor, and I know that the blade is approximately 100 of the original template blade. 40 centimeters versus 61.5 meters. So I go with 100. The scale is a scale of 100. Apply. And then the model disappears again, and I use fit in view. And now we have a wind turbine with relevant size. So this is a wind tunnel relevant wind turbine. And we can see that, for example, by looking at the information pane here, you see now that the total mass is about 1 kilogram, and that seems about right. And if you look at the main shaft, we see that the length of the main shaft is 100 millimeters. That's maybe a bit small, but it's in the right ballpark. Okay, but now we recommend that you switch global scaling off. That means that you keep your parameter values, but the parameter window looks more logical, because you see now it still says 10 meters here. But if I now go to wind turbine and I don't change the scale factor, but I change from global scaling back to no scaling, then I will get the same values in the parameter window as I get in the information window, which is kind of more logical in a sense. So that's why we recommend doing this. Okay, so that was the first tip video. We are planning to make more of these together with the students' assistants, but how many we make and how much effort we put into it will depend on how useful they are for you. So if you actually watch them and if you like them. So if you do like it, please press the like button, and even better, we really appreciate any comments. And likewise, if you don't like it, do press the dislike button, and also very useful, very valuable for us if you can give any comments. And then the number of videos like this we make will strongly depend on the feedback you give. So if you want to see more like this, you definitely need to press like and give comments. Okay, thanks. Hope to see you soon again.